Welcome to another Learn with Link video. This is Dr. Evan Grawley, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to pair your hearing devices to your iPhone. There are essentially two types of hearing devices that can pair to an iPhone. One is called an MFI device, or made for iPhone, and the other is a Bluetooth device. Now, I say device because there are both hearing aids and cochlear implants, as well as osseointegrated or BAHA devices that can do this. To get to the screen you need to go to Settings and scroll on down. Depending on the version of iPhone software you have, you'll either find this under General or Accessibility. Since I have the newer version here, it's under Accessibility. And then if you scroll down from there, you'll find Hearing Devices. And once you get to this screen, you'll want to turn your hearing devices off and then turn them back on to put them in discoverable mode. Now, some hearing aids, you'll have to open and close the battery door for that, and some you'll have to put them in a charger and take them back out, or in the example of a cochlear implant, you'll need to detach the rechargeable battery and then reattach it. But any one of those options, that should put it in discoverable mode, and then you can pair your device right here. If your hearing devices are Bluetooth and not MFI, not made for iPhone, then you'll find them under the Bluetooth menu up here. And as far as connecting them, that is done the same way. You'll go to this screen and then turn your devices off and turn them back on, and then you should find them in this screen to pair them. If you're unsure whether your hearing aids are MFI or Bluetooth, you can check in the app that's available from the manufacturer. Each of them will have a few screens in the beginning that will show you how to do this as well. And if you also have questions about losing your pairing or losing your connection, you might need a firmware update on your device, or you might need to repair the devices to your phone. In order to repair them to the phone, you'll go back to that accessibility screen, down to hearing devices, and you'll see the hearing devices in this screen, which you'll be able to click on and say forget devices. Then you'll turn them off, turn them back on, and pair them again in this screen just as you did before. You'll notice under here there's also hearing aid compatibility option. What this does is it will improve the audio quality with some hearing aids. The hearing aids that you have might have different sound quality enabled for the phone or different balancing enabled for the phone depending on the acoustics, how the hearing aid is coupled to your ear. So, for example, if you use one of those instant fit domes versus a custom ear mold, the hearing aid might do some different things in your ear, might change the programming slightly depending on how it's set for those. That's all you really need to know about how to pair your devices to your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and please subscribe for more videos on how to use hearing aids, how to understand hearing tests, and a whole bunch of other information from Link Audiology. Thank you.